Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog food for hunting dogs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the ORIJEN grain-free high-protein dry dog food. ORIJEN Original Dry Dog Food stands out for its high-quality, biologically appropriate formula designed to mimic the natural diet of dogs. Crafted with a bounty of fresh and raw animal ingredients, it delivers a protein-packed meal essential for maintaining the robust energy levels required by active working canines like hunting dogs. Including free-run chicken and turkey is ethical and provides lean sources of protein that help in muscle development and recovery after rigorous activities. The whole prey approach is another commendable aspect of ORIJEN's formulation, incorporating vital organs and bones into the mix and offering a wealth of minerals and nutrients often absent from other dog foods. This mirrors dogs' nutritional intake in the wild, an invaluable benefit for hunting breeds accustomed to vigorous exercise and outdoor exposure. Moving on at number 4, we have the Taste of the Wild High Prairie Canine Grain-Free Recipe. Taste of the Wild High Prairie Canine Grain-Free Recipe is a top-tier choice for your four-legged companion, particularly for those who lead an active lifestyle akin to their ancestral hunters. Owners will appreciate that this formula is crafted with natural roasted bison and venison as the primary proteins, making it highly palatable while supporting strong muscles vital to a dog's vigor and vitality. The 32% protein content echoes the natural diet of wild canines, catering to canine athletes, such as those often engaged in fieldwork or agility sports. Each bowl serves a flavorful feast and a complex array of nutrients essential for optimal health. Taste of the Wild incorporates species-specific canine strain proprietary probiotics, prebiotics, and antioxidants sourced from fruits and superfoods. This boosts immunity and aids in healthy digestion, crucial factors when dogs are expending high energy during hunting excursions or similar activities. At number 3, we have the Merrick Premium Grain-Free Dry Dog Food. Merrick Premium Grain-Free Dry Dog Food offers a robust solution for owners aiming to maintain their dog's healthy weight without compromising on nutrition, which is especially important for active canines like hunting dogs that require well-managed diets. With real deboned beef as the first ingredient, this weight management formula provides a high-protein punch, ensuring your furry friend maintains lean muscle mass while engaging in vigorous activities. The 77% protein content from animal sources is critical to sustain energy levels and meet the demands of a hunting dog's lifestyle. The balanced blend also includes omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids, essential for maintaining a lustrous coat and healthy skin, something that comes into play given the outdoor exposure hunting dogs face. Moreover, Merrick demonstrates its commitment to natural ingredients and holistic pet health with no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. At number 2, we have the Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula Chicken and Brown Rice Adult Dry Dog Food. Blue Buffalo Life Protection Formula brings a well-crafted blend of high-quality ingredients that cater to adult dogs' vitality and health needs. With real chicken as its first ingredient, this natural adult dry dog food offers a robust source of protein, which is crucial for maintaining the lean muscles that active and especially sporting canines require. The addition of brown rice ensures your four-legged friend gets sustained energy throughout their adventurous days. The unique inclusion of Blue's exclusive life source that sets this product apart. These kibble pieces are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals selected by animal nutritionists to promote immune system health and oxidative balance. This component is particularly beneficial for hardworking dogs often exposed to environmental stresses while hunting or training outdoors. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nulo Frontrunner Dry Dog Food. Nulo Frontrunner stands out in premium dog kibble, offering a robust dietary foundation for all breeds, particularly those with high-energy lifestyles like hunting dogs. Its unique formula, crafted in the USA and free from common allergens such as corn, wheat gluten, and soy, speaks volumes about its commitment to quality. The ancient grains incorporated into this food serve as wholesome fillers and provide natural fibers that help manage weight by promoting a sense of fullness. Fueling your active companion with Nulo's 77% animal-based protein content guarantees an optimal amino acid profile for lean muscle development, vital for dogs that thrive on physical activities like tracking and retrieving. It's not just about physical prowess. This dog food is also infused with taurine to support hearty cardiac function, Ganodin BC30 probiotics ensuring digestive excellence, and antioxidants that fortify immune health, keeping your four-legged friend ready for any outdoor adventure. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.